Throughout the project, our account management team is here to provide a streamlined process for the client. As the account director, I'm here to be the client advocate as well as our company advocate.
We want to make sure that we're having constant communication, we're keeping track of budgetary needs, overall design themes. For us, it's important that we're always in your corner. The account managers are here to make sure that you have a smooth process from start to finish. We want to make sure that you get something that you're ultimately very happy with, and that we're proud to show off just as much as you are.
One of the things our account team is really good at is that during each project, we evolve our process to match the client and to match the project itself.
It really just comes down to us having good conversation, taking time to explain things, whether there's a question about process or a question about a final result. And ultimately, if they're not happy with it, then we want to do our best to make sure we go back and give them what they're looking for.
One of the things we try to do when a client brings us a challenge is to have our entire team look it over and come back with a recommendation based on our industry expertise.
So if there's a problem with your website or your product, if you need to make any kind of content changes, you'll submit a ticket through our Zendesk ticketing system, and then our support process will handle it from there.
The design of a website can really make or break a company. It makes a huge difference in how the target audience views the client. A good design with functional user interface will lead to better conversion rates, which will lead to better overall business. As designers, we really pride ourselves in coming up with smooth designs and well-functioning interfaces to match our client's vision. It's really important for us to take the initiative on design so that we can embrace that vision and really familiarize ourselves with a company's overall brand. A beautiful website creates trust between the company and the client and sets the overall impression for that company's vibe and message and establishes brand consistency. Because of how meticulous we are with our details, us designers work really closely with the engineers to iron out any details that go beyond just the surface level design.